Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss is internship compulsory to get a job in big MNC. Also, we will discuss how to get your first internship and you can earn good amount of money from internship. Also, in this video, I'll share my experience like how I got my first internship and my first job. Also, what and which technical skills you should have to secure your first internship and first job, so no need to worry. Also, you can apply for unlimited internships. Okay, it's 100% free. So let's get started. So first, let me clear one thing. I'm not doing any sponsorship for Internshala. Okay, this is my personal opinion that Internshala is the best platform to get a first internship. Okay, like here you can see this is my application pages. Here you can see this is my first internship. I got hired, status is hired. I got selected in Jan Kalyan Multipurpose Education Society for web development. Okay, was my first internship in web development. Okay, company name was this, and my second internship was Qualcomm in web development. Again, I got my second internship again from Internshala. First internship, second internship from Internshala. Okay, again position was web development. After that, I applied for junior front end developer in a company, but I got rejected. Okay, not selected. But again, I applied for junior front end developer and I got selected. Okay, Jansark Technologies Private Limited. Okay, I got selected in this company. Okay, here you can see I got my first job also from Internshala. Okay, so this is best platform to get your first internship. Okay, however, I am not working here. I'm working as an associate software engineer. Okay, in another company. Okay, but I got my first internship and first job from Internshala. That's why I'm suggesting you. Okay, if you want to enter in big MNC, then you should have at least one internship experience. Okay, because I have experience of two internships. That's why I got selected in TCS, in Infosys, in a lot of big MNCs. Okay, uh, okay, so but I am not working in TCS and in Infosys because they are giving systems engineer role, but I want a software engineer role. Okay, that's a different thing. But my main motive is to tell these things. Internsala is the best platform. Here you can search click on Internsala. After that, click on work from home. Here you can get lot of internship in work from home. Okay, here you can get development of home, web development, digital marketing, React JS, social media marketing design. Here you can filter also if you want to become web development, and if you want web development internship only, then you can get. Okay, here you can see lot of things. Like if you want, just click on anyone, like click on web design. Okay, uh, click here and you can see stipend is 7 to 12,000 per month. This is good amount of stipend. Okay, and this is for freshers. Duration is 3 months. Okay, here you should have knowledge of HTML, CSS and bootstrap. Okay, just if you have HTML, CSS and bootstrap knowledge, then it's enough. Okay, it's enough to secure this internship. Okay, there are 8 openings. Okay, openings are less, yeah, I know, but you can easily get. Okay, if you have knowledge of HTML, CSS and bootstrap. Okay, just apply and you will get 7 to 12,000 per month. And also at the end of the internship, they will give you certificate of completion, letter of recommendation. Okay, and you need to work only 5 days a week. Okay, there are a lot of opportunities on Internshala, and this is absolutely free. You don't need to pay any money. Okay, for these things. Okay, this is just create an account on Internshala. Okay, like I created this. Okay, you need to edit your resume. I mean, you need to update your resume. Just apply in lot of internships. Also, if you want to get your first job, just click on fresher jobs. Okay, then here you can get lot of jobs. Okay, like if you want to become software, like if you want to become software development. Okay, software developer, then click here, filter. Here you can see. Okay, here you can search location also. Like if you want this job in Delhi. Okay, just search on Delhi. Here you can get lot of jobs in Delhi. Okay, these jobs are in Delhi and Delhi NCR. Okay, so if you want to become DevOps engineer, click here. Junior software engineer, just click here. Okay, salary is 3 to 3.6 LP. Okay, and you should have knowledge of these things. Okay, these are the basic things: MySQL, .NET, MongoDB. Okay, Node.js. Just learn these things. Okay, you can get job. So Internsala is one of the best platform, okay, to get your first internship. Now the now the question is internship compulsory to get a job? Yes, internship is compulsory. You can't say compulsory, but it's important, okay, it's very very important. Suppose, now let me give you one example. Suppose you and your college mates have same technical skills, okay, and you all applied for a company, and you gave same interview, and that company has only few vacancies. Then how that company will select you rather than your college mates? Okay, so the answer is your hands-on experience in internship, okay, and your final year project. So all companies like TCS, Wipro, Accenture, Cognizant, Mindtree, Infosys, all the companies, these companies hire or you can say prefer those candidates who have any hands-off experience, okay, in internship. And if you have done any decent final year project, then that will be a plus point, okay. So internship will give you advantage. I have two internship experience, so I got placed in many companies, okay, because they just ask few question, basic question, like if you have a real life experience or not, real company life experience or not, okay. If you'll complete one internship, then you will know how IT industry works, okay. You will learn lot of things, okay. Then you can get a job easily, okay. So these are this some my suggestion, okay, from my personal side. So if you are in final year, then you must complete your internship, okay. And if you are not in final year, then you should focus on your job, okay, rather than internship, okay. So these are the videos from my side. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. And if you think this video is helpful, like this video, and you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide link in description box, and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.